Hey guys, Miss Ko here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw the BT21 characters. If you want to learn, then go ahead and keep watching. Materials you need: a pencil, eraser, black marker, and something to color with. I'll be using marker and color pencil. Let's get started. We're going to start with Cooky, and he has a round head, so I'm going to start with making a circle in the middle of my paper. Then I'm going to make his ear by making a long loop going up and then back down. And the other ear by making another loop, except this time it's going to be curved down, and I'm just going to do this by stopping halfway, and you can see how the ear falls down. Next we're going to make the arm, and we're going to do this by making a J shape. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side, except this one's going to be going down. Remember guys, if I'm going too fast, you guys can always pause the video. Next, we're going to make the body by making two parentheses or curved lines. And then we're going to make the feet by making a wave, kind of like in the ocean. We're going to go up and then continue the wave on the other side and connect it to our body. Once you have that, make a line going up in between the legs. And we're going to make lines going on our hands. Then we're also going to make the inside part of our ear for Cooky. Next, for the face, all we need to do is make two dots for the eyes. Triangle for the nose. A J and another J. And then a U shape for the mouth. Don't forget to make the little tongue. Now for the eyebrow, all we need to do is make a diagonal triangle. Now on the other side, all we have to do is make another diagonal line. And there you are, you have Cooky all finished. Next we're going to make Chimmy, and we're going to start the same way we did with Cooky, where we're just going to make a round circle. Once you have that, we want to make another circle inside. This is going to be his face. You're going to make his floppy ears by making a backwards J shape, and then a J shape on the other side. Just like the ears, for the arm we're going to make another J shape on both sides. Once you have that, you want to make your parentheses lines, these curved lines, going down. And then the wavy line for our feet, just like before. One, and then connect it to the body. Don't forget to make the vertical line going up and stop. We're going to make the hands again just by making that line going across. And Chimmy's wearing a little hoodie, so we're going to make two little lines going down. You can see they're both uneven, and a little circle at the ends. For the face, we're going to make those two dots again. An upside down triangle. And a line that is diagonal. Then we're going to make a U shape and then a line, and there's his tongue. The last little part we have to do is make our head. We're going to do this by making two little lines going in and out, kind of like the top of a heart. Curve in and out. And we'll erase that old line later. Next we have Tata, and we're going to make him by making a heart. And if your heart is uneven, that is perfect because Tata has one side that is taller than the other. And then we're going to make the body the same way with the arms going down as the J and backwards J. But this time the feet and the body is going to be all connected, and we're just going to do this by making a curved W. For his face, we're going to make our 2 dots once again. And this little eyebrows going straight across. And for his mouth, we're going to make an oval and a line inside. Next we have RJ, and RJ is a little trickier to draw, so we're going to break it up into shapes. So first we're going to start off with another circle. And then we're going to kind of make this curved oval shape, and it's going to be a lot taller than the other ones that we made. Make a smile line and connect the 2 sides. And then make his little feet by making a curve first. Another curve going up. And the same thing on the other side. We're going to make 2 skinny little U's for his hands. And then his bandana by making a diagonal line. And another one going up. Make a little leaf shape for the end of it. Now that we're done with the initial shapes, we're going to go ahead and start adding some curves to our head. We're just going to do this by making some bumpy lines all the way across the circle. It's going to kind of look like a flower. Don't forget the little ears. We're going to do that by making curved little triangles. And we're going to make bumps on the body as well. The only places we don't need to add bumps are underneath the chin and on the bottom of our character. Make lines for the little feet. And add bumps for the hands as well. And 2 little lines for the hands. And for the face, just like before, 2 circles in the center of our face. But this time we're going to have the eyebrows going up. Triangle nose. The J and the backwards J. And we have to add a little blush, so we're going to add small little ovals. Next we're going to be doing little bang, and we're going to start this off by making a curved line. And then we're going to go all the way inside. It's going to kind of look like a funny U on the side. Once you have that, make a little ear by making a little loop. And then his eyes by making a circle with a circle inside. The nose is going to be a curved line in the front of the face. And then his little spikes are going to be the little rainbows going down its back. Once that's done, make a line across the head. And then we're going to make our body by making a U shape. A little bump. A diagonal line, and his little leg by making another little U. Connect the pieces. I think I want that one to look a little rounder, so I'm going to go ahead and correct that. Make it rounder. When you have that done, you can go ahead and make its little tail by making a little looped line and a little triangle at the end. Don't forget the lines for inside the spikes. And now we have Van. We're going to start off with the circle once again. and the horn in the center of his head. That's just going to be a little triangle. Once you have that, we're going to do the same thing we've been doing with the bodies, where you make a J shape, another J shape, make a straight line going down this time though, curved wave going all the way up, and then another one on the other side. Another important characteristic of Van is the line going down his body all the way from the top of the spike down to his legs. Then we're going to do his eyes by making an X on one side, an O on the other, and a straight line for the mouth. Now we have little Koya. We're going to do a circle first. Another circle shape, except we're going to go behind the ear. And another one. And we're not going to connect this one. Once you're done with that, make the body just the J shapes once again. And the round W for the legs and body. For the face, we're going to make an oval in the center of our face, a little slanted line on both sides, and the smiley line close to the nose. Once you have that, we want to make the little tummy by making a U shape. And the inside part of the ear. The last BT21 character we have is Shooky, and we're going to make him by making a circle on our page. And for his arms, we're going to make tiny little stubs. We're going to kind of make a G shape on one side and backwards G on the other. Kind of looks like Saturn. Once you have that, make the little legs by making long U's. And his eyes are going to be 2 circles. He has a big mouth, and that's going to go all the way across. And a big U. He has little teeth, which are a little W. Now one of his eyebrows is a block going down diagonally, so you could go ahead and make that. And a line for our other eyebrow. Let's outline. Erase all your pencil lines. Let's color. And there you have it, all the BT21 characters. I hope you had fun and enjoyed this video. Thanks, and make sure to subscribe to see more fun videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!